TurboTax Self-Employed Walkthrough. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to do a comprehensive walkthrough for TurboTax if you are self-employed and you want to use TurboTax to help you file your taxes. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, if you go to Google and type in TurboTax Self-Employed Walkthrough, the first thing you'll find here is this beginner's tax guide for the self-employed. So let us look at the table of contents, right? So under table of contents, we have first of all taxes for the self-employed, knowing our entity, getting ready for taxes, cruise into tax deductions, and a new responsibility. So you can click on taxes for the self-employed first. Now, many people who have dreams of being self-employed, but you're different, you actually have a shot at it. So first of all, it's important to find it. Then you can know your entity, whether you're a sole proprietor, partnership and corporations, and so on. Now, I'll make sure to drop this link for the article in the description box below. You can go ahead and then view a look at it. Right on the right hand side, you can see taxes done right for investors and self-employed. Now, TurboTax Premium. Now, they're marketing us the premium that searches over 500 tax deductions to get you every dollar you deserve. So basically, you can click on Start for free option if you want to. If you already have a TurboTax online account, click on Yes. Just log in with that similar account. Then after you have done that, you'll be able to get the premium version of TurboTax that is much more useful for personal and self-employed people who has their own income status, right? And after you go ahead and fill in the required details, you should be able to go ahead and then file those. And this is the walkthrough for TurboTax Self-Employed. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end in the next video.